Today we discuss about the inheritance. What is an inheritance? It is a mechanism of creating a new class from existing class is called as an inheritance. So first we have one of the existing class like it is called as base class, superclass or parent class, and creating a new class it is called as a derived class, subclass or subclass or child class. So actually main purpose of the inheritance is a reusability. If we use the any functions or any variables in another function, another class, then we use the inheritance. So main use of the inheritance is reusability. So there are many types of inheritance is like a single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance, like that. But in C#, multiple inheritance is not allowed. So we check what is the type of the inheritance and one by one. So first we check single inheritance. One derived class from one base class is called as single inheritance. Multi-level inheritance, one derived class from another derived class, it is called as multi-level inheritance. So here is a class A is a base class, class C is a derived class, and class B is another derived class. So class B is called as an intermediate base class. Multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance to one derived class from more than one base class. So it is a multiple inheritance. But in C#, multiple inheritance is not allowed. Okay, multiple inheritance is not allowed. Next type is a hierarchical inheritance. One base class created a number of derived class. This derived class created another derived class, like that. This is a hierarchical inheritance. And hybrid inheritance, combination of one or more types is called as hybrid inheritance. Okay, so we check the program of all the types. So first, new project, create a console application. Here is a name. We discuss about the inheritance, so we give the name of inheritance. Create a simple console application. So first we take a program of single inheritance. Okay, so what is a single inheritance? One derived class from one base class is a single inheritance. So we take one of the base class, it's called as base. Another derived class is a derived. Okay, here class base, it is a base class. So here we take class base what is the problem? Okay, class let me check. Okay, so here is a class is a base it is a base class, base. Okay, base class is a keyword, so here is a base class, right? So here public void show, one of the method, console dot write line take here, it is a base class. Okay, I'll show this. Here another next derived class. Okay, so no way. Here is a class derived. It is derived from base class. Okay, and derived class. Here another method is console dot write line. Console one of the base class. Sorry, public void show 1. Okay, and here is a console dot write line 8. It is a derived class. Okay, so we take the object of which base class or derived class, we create an object of derived class. So derived d1 is equal to new derived, and d1 dot two methods show and show 1. So first we select show and d1 dot show 1. Okay, and then console dot read line. Save this and run it. Okay, it is a base class and it is a derived class. This is a single inheritance, one base class and derived class. Next program is hierarchical inheritance. With hierarchical inheritance, okay. Here is a base class, one derived class and another derived class. So class derived 1 colon base class. Okay, next here another method is a public void show 2. Okay, and here is a console dot write line. It is a derived 1 class. Okay, so first we create derived 1 object and another derived 1 d2 is equal to new derived 1 and d2 dot show 2. Okay, and run it. This is a hierarchical method, right? 2 derived class from 1 base class. This is a hierarchical inheritance. First is a base class, derived class and base class and derived 1 class. Next we create a derived multi-level inheritance. So first is a base class, another derived class and next another derived class from derived class. So we just select here derived class 1. This is a derived. It is a multi-level inheritance. First is a base, second is a derived and third is a derived 1. So object create here is derived 1 and here is a derived 1. Next, derive d1.show, d1.show 1 and d1.show 2. Okay, save it and run it. What is the output? It is a base class, it is a derived class, and it is a derived 1 class. So this is a multi-level inheritance. This is a concept of inheritance, and we show the another types of the inheritance: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. But multiple inheritance is not allowed in C#, so we do not check it. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe it, and see the next time.